Hi guys! Nakita niyo na ba tong video ni Kong TV and then ni Sir Gabin? Grabe guys, naiyak talaga ako guys as in. Parang ang ganda lang ng moment na to para sa kanilang dalawa. Like, you will never know talaga kung when ka makakapag-influence ng tao. And I know Sir Kong also didn't expect that much na gano'n na pala yung influence na nabibigay niya sa mga tao. That results to Sir Gabin na i-pursue yung pagvo-vlog and knowing that he will meet uh, his influencer by heart through destiny. Parang nakaka-amaze lang. And grabe tong mga tao na to because they really pursue their hard work and